Hello students, very warm welcome to our channel Lakshmi Kavya Lab Tutorials with a new session. In this session, we are going to discussing about the subject which students think as very tough, which subject think as very dry, and as when I am in as a student, I also think that it is very dry and it is very difficult and it is very tough for me. So that is jurisprudence. Okay, so it is jurisprudence. Prior to discussing about today's topic, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share this video to your friends. Without any delay, let us start this session. Today onwards, we are discussing about the jurisprudence subject. The main agenda of this session is I want to make easier the subject jurisprudence and understand what is the strategies to study the jurisprudence subject. So, that is the main concept of this session. Okay. So, today we are going to discussing about the concept of jurisprudence. Concept of jurisprudence. What is the concept? The concept of jurisprudence covers meaning, definition and scope, nature of jurisprudence. Okay, meaning, definition, scope and nature of jurisprudence. So, these are all covered under concept of jurisprudence. So, what is jurisprudence? Jurisprudence means it is a study of theory relating to law. Okay, it is a theory. It is a study of theory relating to law. If you are arts batch, if you are arts students, all we are know that what political science means. In political science, we have one subject that is polity. So, polity relates to all the political concepts. So many politics. So, they are expressed their opinions relating to political science concepts. As in the same way, the jurisprudence is also a theoretical subject relating to legal concepts. Each and every concept explained in our jurisprudence subject. Okay. So, the word jurisprudence derived from the Latin word jurisprudentia. Okay, Latin word jurisprudentia. What does it means? It means jurisprudentia means what? Knowledge of law. Okay, so jurisprudence is nothing but it is a knowledge of law. As in my words, I will describe the jurisprudence as it is a mother of legal system. Okay, it gives birth to total legal concepts. Each and every concept came from our subject jurisprudence. So, that's why I defined it as mother of legal system, and as well as I want to define it as an ocean. There are so many topics involved in this ocean. So, we have to discuss one by one in our later videos. But I am not covering all the theories relating to jurisprudence in the prospect of UCC NET or other competitive examination, I am just wanted to give the foundation to the LLB students in this session and make easier first of all for the LLB students for to understand and what are the tricks to understand the subject of jurisprudence. Okay. So this is the meaning and definitions. You have to study only two definitions, students. That is the first one John Austin and second one Salmon's definitions. So these both are very similar and you have to by-hearted them. I am not going to deeper with the definitions. And next one, scope of jurisprudence. Scope means already I have done what is the scope in our previous videos in another sessions. So what is the scope? Scope means an umbrella. Okay, it is a umbrella. So many subject matters are come under this subject. So that is called as scope. How many subjects are come under this jurisprudence? So subject matters or topics are covered by the jurisprudence. There are 5 topics. First one, not only it is not limited to the 5, but we have for understanding purpose, for the exam point of view, we have to explaining in that way. But obviously there are all the legal systems, all the questions, all the concepts relating to law are covered under the jurisprudence. That is the scope. The scope is very broader, okay, very wider in the legal system. Okay, so first one, there are 5. Okay, first one, analytical jurisprudence. Second one, first one, analytical jurisprudence. Second one, normative jurisprudence. And third one, historical jurisprudence. And fourth one, sociological jurisprudence. Fifth one, the comparative jurisprudence. Clear? First one, analytical jurisprudence. Second one, the normative jurisprudence, historical jurisprudence, and fourth one, the sociological jurisprudence, and last one, the comparative jurisprudence. Okay, these are the 5 important things are covered in our jurisprudence. First one, analytical jurisprudence. In these jurisprudence type topic can be analyzed the each and every concept. Okay, analyze the concept like rights, duties, and legal methods and procedures. All are analyzed by the jurists in this analytical jurisprudence. And the second one, what is that? Normative jurisprudence. It gives the relationship between the law and morality. Okay, law and morality. Give the deep discussion with the law and morality. So that is called as normative jurisprudence. And next one, historical. Itself it says that it deals with the history of the laws, history of the concepts, when it derived from, where it derived from, who was the father of that law, who was the founder of that law, what are the landmark judgments for that law. All those things are studied by the historical jurisprudence. And next one, what? Sociological jurisprudence. It purely relates to the society. Sociological means society. So, which laws are applicable in the society, which are very interpreted by the society, which are very useful for the society. Those are all covered under this sociological jurisprudence. And next one and last one, comparative jurisprudence. It comparated with the another fields like political science and economics, ethics, etc. Our comparative studies are done in our comparative jurisprudence. So Except that all the legal systems, I'm already told that, but I am again repeating that all the legal systems, all the questions which are covered under legal systems and the concepts all are come under the wing of jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is mother of legal system. Okay. So next one, nature of jurisprudence. What is the nature of jurisprudence? What is the nature of jurisprudence? Jurisprudence is nature. What nature means? Already I have told in our previous classes. So what is the meaning of nature? Nature means the characteristic and behavioral status of a system. Okay, what are the characteristics of the jurisprudence? First one, what are the characteristics of the jurisprudence? First one, the interdisciplinary nature, philosophical nature, and last one, descriptive and prospective nature. First one, philosophical nature. Philosophical nature means it must be think logically and philosophically, and it give the very clarification relating to concepts which are covered under the jurisprudence. Okay, and interdisciplinary nature, it gives the comparative study between, already we told that in scope, give the comparative study with politics, ethics, economics, sociology, etc. with legal subjects. Okay. And next one and last one, descriptive and prospective nature. Descriptive means it gives the wider explanation relating to all the legal concepts, as well as it gives some suggestions. That means perspective. It gives some suggestions relating to legal concepts. Okay, so these are the important nature characteristics of our subject jurisprudence. So in this session or in this video, we have to done that the meaning, definitions, and the scope and nature of jurisprudence. So you have to study the definitions, John Aston and Salmon, very important. So you have to present any one of them also. Okay. So maybe students, I hope all are you understand, and I hope all are you very make easier this topic as per my level best. Okay, now I am giving the notes relating to this jurisprudence. First topic, that is concept of jurisprudence, on the monitor screen. Just you have to look at the screen and write down the notes. So, this is all for today's notes relating to jurisprudence. It is very important question, students, for LLB examination point of view. Okay, so in our next video we have to meet with the importance of jurisprudence, why it is important and what is the need of jurisprudence. So we have to catch up in our next video. If you have any doubts, just comment me in my comment section or make me a message through Instagram account. Okay, so I hope all of you like my lecture. Please give a like and subscribe and share this video to your friends. This is all for today's lecture. This is Lakshmi Kavya Gokaraju signing off for today. Stay tuned.